In order to log into your account area, what you'll need to do is either click the login button in the email that we sent you, or go to focusfirst.com and click the link here that says login. This will open up this login window. Now you're going to use the email that you used to sign up for the software as well as the password that you created on the thank you page to log in. Now if you didn't remember what you did when you set up that thank you page, we also sent an email with that password to you. However, if you lost that, click the forgot password here and that will allow you to then go ahead and create a new password for your account. Now that you have logged into your account area, before we go and do anything like downloading or activating your software, let's just talk about how to navigate this account area so that you have a good handle on how to use your account subscription. This first page here is your welcome page, where you'll see the steps regarding downloading the software, activating it, and what to do to really get started. On the top here, you'll see some buttons on navigation that will allow you to access some different areas. And throughout all of these, you'll see that the kind of shaded areas tend to be buttons, as well as some of these ones here. That way you can always, in this case, contact support or find the relevant information you need. Now each of these buttons take you to different areas along the top. The first one here, for example, brings you to the FHFA graphs area, where you can find the FHFA graphs through these drop-down menus. The second button brings you to your reviews resources, and these are resources and tutorials to help you with real estate reviews. Each of these, as they open up, have a video instructed on the resource and then the download as well. The same goes for the pricing. The one extra difference here is we also have a link for the new CMA ebook as well as for the user guide, the online user guide that really helps you with the controls. Again, all of these open up, have a video on how to use the template, and then a download as well. And that's all being accessed by just clicking these buttons up top here. Same goes for the online courses, where you can then find the online classes when they get released to really learn and master this whole system and the pricing method. And if you need to change anything in your account, you just come to this account button here, where you can update your profile and change your information like your email and password. You can update your credit card if yours happens to expire, or you can also change your subscriptions if you feel like upgrading to an annual if you're a monthly, or if you need more flexibility going from a monthly to an annual. That can all be done here very easily in your account area. So just like that, you can see we have very easy navigation using the top buttons up here, and then through each page, links to click on. So just like that, you now know how to navigate your account area, and now you're ready to go ahead and start using the Focus First account area to download your software, your extra resources, and anything else you might need to master your pricing.